Hi guys, it's Amy, your Norwex independent consultant. Today I want to show you how I shave without shaving cream using only the body cloth and water. Now Norwex body cloths are great. I use them morning and night. They clean when they're damp and they exfoliate when you wring them out. Now I used to use a ton of different shaving creams, all different brands, but all of that really changed when I learned what was in them. Shaving creams contain some really nasty stuff. So one of the first things that comes to mind is triethanolamine. It's produced from the reaction of ethylene oxide and ammonia. And ethylene oxide is a carcinogen, it's linked to cancer, and at room temperature, ammonia is colorless and has a highly irritating gas with kind of a pungent, suffocating odor. It's linked to several respiratory issues, asthma, allergies, but we don't typically smell the ammonia in these products because it's covered up with perfumes. Which kind of brings us to the next problem. Perfumes and fragrance formulas are protected under federal law as trade secrets, so manufacturers do not have to disclose the ingredients. Fragrances combine over 3,000 stock chemicals, including hormone disruptors, allergens, and phthalates. And oh my gosh, you guys should watch a documentary on Netflix called Stink. It's so eye-opening. Something else it contains are PEGs. PEGs are often used in cosmetics and hair products. It thickens the product, it's a solvent, it might soften the product, and they're typically contaminated with that ethylene oxide I mentioned earlier, which again is a carcinogen and linked to cancer. Also contains other things like palmitic acid, isopropane, and sulfates. Now we want to avoid sulfates as much as we can, especially in our shaving cream, because sulfates can really wreak some havoc on our hair shaft, our follicles. They cause problem with dryness and irritations. So let me show you how amazing this works. And I'm kind of taking a risk because I have a brand new shaver. So this is my shaver. I'll hold it up. You can see it's brand new, super sharp. If I can get it out of here. All right, so we got my new shaver. So what I'm going to do is just get the body cloth wet under this bathroom faucet here. And I'm going to wring it out. So see, that's kind of dripping now. If I was washing my face, I would want it pretty damp. But since I'm using it to exfoliate the leg and lift up the hair follicle, I'm going to give it a nice wring. So now when shaving with the body cloth, you just gently, I usually do it just like this. So we've got our body cloth in one hand and you're going to go up against the grain of the hair and then follow behind it with your shaver. And then I typically will go over it again to get any of those loose hairs and then just keep going. I'm going to work all the way around. Works so good. And as you can tell, my legs are not irritated. Can you see all the hair on there? My legs are not irritated at all. Nice and soft. And I do find that I actually shave less when shaving this way because I'm getting a closer shave since it's lifting that hair follicle up. So this leg is almost done. I mean, it makes it so fast and easy. I'm not going to do the tops. So fast and easy. And just look at all that hair on there, so much. So now another thing I like to do is, especially if so soft, you guys. So another thing I like to do if I want to maybe get some like dead skin cells off my leg and really exfoliate them nice, especially with, wearing shorts and things like that. First, I'm going to rinse out my shaver. Okay. And what I will also use, so now it's nice and clean, I will also use our body scrub mitt. And this gives you a little bit more exfoliating power. So one side is the body cloth and the other side is this nice scrubby. And it fits on your hand, so it's just a great way to easily exfoliate your legs and really any part of your body. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to wipe up, follow with the shaver, and then wipe again and get any excess hairs. So now we'll do the front. I mean, I have never got this great of a shave, you guys. And you see, I am using a brand new shaver So I'm not getting nicked or anything. It's just smoothing everything out. Look at this shaver. Look how gross. So much. And then you can do the same thing like around your knees or wherever. I know my husband will use this when he shaves, like his mustache. He'll shave the hair off of his face above his lip. And he just loves this because he doesn't have to use the shaving cream. Because, I mean, and I think it's great. He gets a nice clean shave and it's so close. So we're pretty much good because I'm not going to do the tops right now, but just look at all of that hair on there. And I know you can't see my legs too close in the video, but they're so smooth. And now I'll apply the Lysair Moisture Rich Body Lotion on my legs. And that is an amazing product too. It just keeps your skin so smooth. It balances your good bacteria versus bad bacteria on your skin, and it's just a wonderful moisturizer. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.